Hey guys, what's up? It's Nick here, and in this video I'm going to be making another What's in My Dock video. Now I haven't done another one of these videos for about 3 weeks, almost a month now, so I'm going to try to do one of these every month. Sometimes some of the videos slip in, as in like some of them are like a little bit before 1 month, some of them are a little after. But anyway, this is going to be another What's in My Dock video just to show you some of the applications that I'm currently using. So anyway, let's just go ahead and get to it. So the first application down here is Finder. Everyone knows Finder. It's how you manage all your files on your Mac. I have Firefox, which is the browser that I'm using at the moment. It's a very fast, very good, very customizable internet browser. Next here I have Apple Mail, which is what I use to manage my email. It's a really good email client that supports pretty much almost every email out there, and it works really fast and is a really good way to get everything organized. Here I have Echofon for managing one of my Twitter accounts. It's actually really good for Twitter. You can go ahead and just search for Echofon, and there's actually a version for iPhone, a version for Firefox, and a version for Mac. And so I tried out the Echofon version for Mac right here, and it actually works pretty good. iTunes, managing music, syncing an iPod. If you don't know what it is, then, well, I'm sorry. Apple Safari, which is the default internet browser that comes on every Mac. It's a pretty good, pretty fast web browser. I used to be using it primarily, but I didn't have all the customizations that I wanted to in Firefox, so I went over and switched to Safari. Camino is another web browser, but I don't really use it that much. It's sort of just there for backup reasons, just in case Firefox's Safari doesn't work. And it's pretty good. It's made by the same people that made Firefox, so it works pretty good. Tweety is a Twitter client that I don't really use anymore. I just got it because I wanted to try it out, but I don't really use it. It's just sort of stuck here on my dock. Well, the Silverlight client for Facebook is an application that I use to manage in my Facebook account. It actually works pretty well. It adds a lot more color and effects and makes your Facebook page brighter, so it's a better interface for you. Yahoo Messenger is an instant messaging client. I don't really use it that much, but it's just there because I use Yahoo Mail, and I most of the time use it to check my Yahoo Mail. Skype, internet phone and calling, I don't really use it that much because I don't have that many people to talk to on there, but whenever I need to contact someone through it, I have it there. Microsoft Messenger, I got it to test out the MSN Messenger client for the Mac, but I don't really use it that much. If you guys are into getting a MSN client for the Mac, don't get Microsoft Messenger. Find something like ADM or something, because MSN Messenger for Mac isn't so great. Here we have Cabos, which I did a video on before, which is a free P2P client. It's a lightweight alternative to LimeWire and FrostWire. Here I have TextMate, which is my text editor of choice. I did a couple videos before showing you guys how to code some stuff in HTML, and I use TextMate mostly for that. Here I have FileZilla, which is my FTP client of choice, which is what I use to upload all the files to my website. Here I have Apple Pages, which comes in part of the Apple iWork series, which is basically like your Microsoft Word alternative, but in my opinion it's better than Microsoft Word, so Pages comes in iWork. ScreenFlow, which is the application that I'm using to record my screen right now. It's very good. It lets you do all the editing effects. It's what I edit all my videos so far in. Here I have iMovie, which is another video editing software, which I use to edit some other videos and to put some other stuff together. It's pretty good, but it's not great, but it's iMovie, and it's pretty good. Here I have QuickTime X, which is just my default media player that I play all my media files in. Here I have Picasa, which is what I use to manage all my photos in. Here I have Photo Booth for taking photos, taking videos, and messing around with effects on your webcam. Here I have Adobe Photoshop version CS4 for editing photos and making my graphic designs and showing you guys my Photoshop tutorials. They just came out with a version CS5 for this, but I think I'm going to go ahead and stick with CS4 for now. Preview for previewing images. Here I have Grand Perspectives, which is an application that lets you view all the files on your Mac and how much space they take. It's an application that I use to see which files that I don't need that I can get rid of. And TeamViewer is an application that I've been using to screen share with my PC. I have a PC laptop, and I use TeamViewer to remote desktop access my Windows PC from my Mac. Then I just have the basic system preferences, and then applications, documents, music, movies, pictures, my websites, and downloads stack. And then the trash bin. And so anyway, that's what's in my dock, all the applications that I'm currently using at the moment. I'm going to try to post one of these videos around once a month sometimes sometimes the times will be a little off. So anyway, that's just been another What's in My Dock video. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.